Greetings to you. Welcome specially to Bengineer Construction Lecture Hub. Always a platform where you get vital updates as regards to construction. Alright, so today we are going to look at how to calculate the quantity of blocks. So we have a floor plan here, okay, with the various dimensions. Now here enables us to calculate the GAT, which is the fundamental. When we are doing our calculation, we have to get the overall length of these various partitions, which we have done here, and we have a total of 8.58 meters. Okay, so in this context now, let's assume this is a substructural block wall. Okay, and substructural block wall, there are no openings, so it's an entire walling unit. So we are looking at if height of block wall to DPC level is 1.2 meters. Okay, so we have the area. Now remember, this is the length of this entire partition, which is 48.58. So we multiply it by the height, which is 1.2. So when we do that, we have 58.3 meters. Okay, so we know that by rough estimate, we have 10 blocks to give you 1 square meter. Okay, so if we have 10 blocks to 1 square meter, x will now be, which is unknown, will now be 558.3 square meter. Okay, this becomes square meter, sorry. Okay, this becomes square meter. Okay, that's the area. So we have 58.3 square meter. So x now in this context will now be equal to 10 times 58.3, and that will give us 583. So the required number of blocks, the required quantity that will get to the height of 1.2 meters based on this dimension will now be 583 blocks. Okay, that's the quantity that will enable us achieve the block wall from the base of this foundation to a height of 1.2 meters. All right, so this is where I'm going to stop. Thank you so much for your time and have a blessed day. Bye.